Hey authors! As I'm sure you all know, Amazon is the #1 place for readers to discover books. Your book needs to be there in order to get in front of readers. My name is Kelsey Worsham, and today I'll be walking you through the key steps you need to learn in order to market your book on Amazon. Make sure your book is well edited and has a good cover. Our data suggests that using a professional editor and cover designer is the way to go. Don't know where to find cover designers or editors? Try a service like Readsy, where you can shop for the perfect person to help you. Set up your metadata, a fancy phrase for data about your book. Amazon allows you to set the metadata when you set up your book through the KDP interface, so you'll want to think about that before publishing. The easiest way to optimize your metadata is to make sure your book description is at least 100 words and uses genre-specific terms that people will be searching for. A helpful tip: if you struggle with what to write, try using the if-then construct. For example, if you like suspenseful thrillers, then you'll love this book. Or, if you liked Gone Girl, then you'll love this book. Get reviews before you sell. Reviews are key to a book selling. On Amazon, some readers will completely ignore your book if it has 0 reviews because there will always be 5 other books for them to choose from. Getting the first early reviews is hard, but don't get discouraged, and whatever you do, don't cheat. Amazon will find out. One tried and true technique for getting reviews is to run a giveaway, gifting copies to the winners. Once the giveaway is over, you can politely ask the winners to review your book. Understand the rankings game. Amazon sales are all about rankings. The higher you rank in the Amazon popularity charts, the more new readers will discover your book. Nobody knows precisely how the Amazon ranking algorithm works, but we do know that it's highly correlated with volume of sales over short periods of time. Plan your marketing for a 48-hour blitz. After number 4, we know what you're thinking. How do you sell lots of copies of your books in a short period of time? This is where you use the stacking strategy, namely, planning multiple promotional opportunities for your book all at once. Post to social media, send an email to your list, and tell your friends and family. Another helpful tip: many authors book promotions with services like FreeBooksy or Bargain Booksy during a free or discount price promotion to spur a spike in sales. Go! On the day of your promotions, clear your schedule as much as you can. Make sure you can respond to social media inquiries from potential readers or handle any last-minute marketing decisions that you may need to make. Our last helpful tip: in addition to sales of the books you're promoting, you should see what we call halo sales, or sales from your backlist. This is a huge benefit to marketing and is often overlooked. Next, wait 90 days. Rinse, repeat. Figuring out how to market your book once is great, but the job of marketing never stops. Make sure your sales stay healthy by running stacked promotions once every 90 days or so. So there you have it, authors. Those are the 7 steps for marketing your book on Amazon. Now time to get going and start publishing. Bye.